Blay P Baro Shakatuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi Shillong. Rakhe singi kentiu kerdan ke Donbosco Technical School Shillong. Dang jerwat ki kampen bet them yau maulong. Mi surok saki enforcement ke KHUDC ban Peit benia kot kali. Ban wat klong tangi ki marpo kendau burom badyada ya kami mariang ong ukonrat. Tu mentang ini apai shaki khubor ki bakam benia. Ka Donbosco Technical School Shillong kalapan long ya kasingi kentiu kerdan convocation day haka arpusan tarik Nailur ha Donbosco hall nagabenta ki Samla ki bala pendep ya ki jingpule haki pangjing start ki bakentop ya ka electrician ITI, MMV ITI, woodwork ITI, welder ITI, mechanics, sewing technology, stenography bat ka DTP. Haka ni kasingi kentiu kerdan ya ki Samla pule u Dr. Ricky AG Singkon MP Lok Sabha ulalong ukongsan. Lapadiang burom ya ukongsan da Reverend Padar Shining Star Dekhar, Principal, Reverend Padar Saji, Rector, Reverend Padar Donbosco, rengkat kinong hikai bat ki Samla pule hakani ke school hikai trekam. Upadar Shining Star Dekhar, Principal, hakajing keren pediang sngobha ya ukongsan bat ikiriu khmat balakot sngobha, ula batai lengkot ya kajing koridor jongkani ke sngi kentiu kerdan ya ki Samla ki bala pendep ya kajing pule jongki nakani ke school. Kasngi kentiu kerdan convocation day kadai ka sakhi bakini ki Samla kila long ki bala pentebet yalade bandrung shaki jakatre ba pher hala ka jong ka jing pentebet ula kentu ya kini ki Samla banlong ki nuksa ba bhaya ki weipat haba ki tre ki kta ban tre da ka ba ai tilut yalade bat da ka jing minot hala ki kam ki jam. Hakajing keran kumukongsan u Dr. Ricky AG Singkon ulapan pau kajing sngongo eki bor penyaj bat kinong hikai ka Donbosco Technical School ki bala IT lut yalade ban kentiu shaprang yeki sap ki phong trei ba bonjat yeki Samla jaga Meghalaya bat jaga than lammi ngi baro kawai. Ulapan seluruh ki Samla pule banyale naga benta kajing temu ka bakham halor. Dak bakdo baki sab jongki ki ktajur ban penkela khambha ya ka lawai jong ka jylla baro ka wei lasa mi ki sernat shabaro ki bala pendep ya ka jingpule ka bala pen I bat kadau syai ya ki mau jam bakongsan baki la penlut bat pentebet yalade nagbanta ka lawai pa pernai ha ka jing em jongki kinong penyaj ya ka DBTS ki la pen pau ya ka jing angnur jong ka skul ban penkup bor ya ki khna skul bat ban pen khre ya ki nak benta ki kam ki jam babun jaj ha ka jing em jangki lapun phu pun pheng shu ya ka ni ka sngi da ki jing ruai bat jing shat na ki khna skul ki ba pen pau ya ki sap ki phong paharukom
of Don Bosco, which was founded by Saint John Bosco, am I right, in the 19th century. Was the foundation of Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, more than 100 years ago, was laid, I'm sure, with the purpose of imparting technical as well as vocational education to young people of the region and particularly of this great place of ours, Meghalaya, and more so to those who come from the disadvantaged background. I hope I'm right. Well, this is a great mission, a mission to provide quality education combined with skill to empower the youth. And this very much is in alignment with the philosophy of Saint John Bosco, who believed in educating the whole person. This collaboration also do provide students with opportunities for internship as well as placements. From my side, let me say that I greatly appreciate DBTS, for not just for technical education that you've been, imparting, but also even moral and ethical development of your students by promoting discipline, integrity, and moral responsibility to your students. Well, as you stand here today, you as an institute, the students, you have not only acquired technical skills, but you have also, through your teachers, through your...
Master Mukim, Safida Huntaba, Ronaldo Tumpun, Anthony Korba, Jovinal William Pada, Kunpam Lang Walang, Jimras Kongliam, Johanan Budan, Jeffrey Yang, Bamut Janai Nomram, Bapenkemen Lang Maulong, Garrett Hubertston, Blessing Star, Kartang Mao, Zakario Garmi Basai.
Kinoy alam kakunhun Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC, kalaya kundu yung Chief Secretary ba DP Walang ha Sekretariat panyakran halor kajing penkenria Jakasa yakilai spa sapu artli kilong yeng na tem yung maulong. Kala donru kakunhun kabakersyan neki na Amritsar ha kane kajing yakran ba duba Walang. Kumba kapaw na kane kajing yalang. Don ki jerwat ba ka HPC kalabu hakmat ka sorkar yakiba kadeban penbiang. Kamben shwa ke HPC kelapan por hadu bakut u Nailur ban ai ya karai. Menta da ka jingdon ki wei pat ki kunhun ki bat tenru kani ka kam kadang sa pongding bat imat kadang jingai ban poi syaka thong balaya penbet lang hapadeng ke sorkar Meghalaya bat ke HPC ban penkenria ya kitei kilong yeng da ka basuk bat bajai-jai syaka jaka bala penkre da ka sorkar jilla.
साथ में रखेंगे और उसके बाद में फिर जो चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब बताएंगे हम फिर दोबारा मीटिंग होगी.
क्या क्या डिस्कशन हुआ था?
It's a part of an ongoing discussion which is going on, and the SGPC leadership comprising of the General Secretary Sir Rajinder Singh Mehta, the Bhagwan Singh Salka and Gurinder Singh, and myself, I am just an activist, Jagmohan Singh. We have presented our viewpoint, and it is still in infancy as to what is going to happen. So we are not in a position to share anything with the media at this stage. We are only saying that it's a very constructive meeting that we had, and we are very hopeful that this problem of the residents of Punjabi Lane will be solved sooner than later.
So do you feel, because we are seeing participation from outside, activists from outside of the state coming in to discuss about this, why is it that it's concerning you all?
It concerns us because these Sikhs have come 200 years ago from Punjab. Their homeland is Punjab. Their relatives, their families, their lands are in Punjab. So if a Sikh anywhere in the world is hurt in any manner, it hurts us. And it is to express our hurt that we come and express solidarity with them. We are not here to create any trouble. We are here to help the government to resolve the problem in an amicable and proper manner.
The proposal that has been placed by the government, isn't that satisfactory level at all?
It's not fully satisfactory. Therefore, we are raising some concerns, which is under discussion, and I'm sure that we will be able to iron out a good solution.
This process should be done by September 30th. Whether the government made that point of view.
Time extended person. We are coming from Sri Akal Takht Sahib, the highest temporal seat of Sikhs, and every issue may be arise in any.
Kum shibanta ban khangla deka jing kamai kali luit ki briu na bar ka jela ki pulit enforcement jong ka KHADC menta kasngi at pusan tarik Nailur kila penlong deka jing pet benya ya ki kot kisla jong ki briu na ki wei pat ki jela ki ba kentup deka trading license ka labor license bat ka employee clearances certificate kani ka jing pet benya ya ki kot kisla jong ki nongnya kali bar jela kalong khnang ban te lakam ya ka jing yo kamai luit ki briu na bar jela padru banum pensep ya ka bai khajna jong ka council ki enforcement ka KHADC ki lapet benya ya ki kot kisla kali haranja laj umkhra dhan kiti bat nomen song bat haki weide ki jaka. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma hak arpusan tarik Nailur ula play ya kerensan ya selok kabaya day bat ki marpo khendo hanong ba Shillong halor kapang enhancing mineral exploration through NMET kabala penlong da ka Directorate of Mineral Resources jong ka sarkar Jylla habakran hakane ka jingyalang Menteri Rangba ulaong hapadeng ka jingwa de ki marpo khendo na ka benta ka jingmentoy jong ka Jylla penban kalongpat ke badan kam ban Peit bakam day ban keta ya kami mariang kumta dan kam ban pentikna bakan don lang kajing buram bat jing ada ya ka Menteri Rangba hakani kesngi ula pelaj pat baru ya ka State Geological and Mineral Map jong ka Meghalaya bat ya ka Meghalaya Minerals Database Kibala don lang hakani ke jingyalang kilalong ki start ki jhat na North East Space Application Center NISAC NMET Ministry of Coal GSI Law Department bat ki wei kin thupru ya ki he sarkar na ka Jylla
that from the very beginning, I remember in 2018 in my first term, when I had taken over as Chief Minister, we had a very, very crucial problem in front of us in regards to the coal mining issues that we had and how we had environmental issues, scientific mining issues. We had issues about land ownership and constitutional protection and different aspects of mining that were related to in the coal sector. And obviously during that time also, and I remain with the same stand even today, is that while we are exploring and the need to explore and mine the different resources for the overall development of our state and our country, we also need to ensure that with the use of technology and correct methods, we should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology, minimize the impact on the environment. I think that is very important to also remember. I know that there will always be a choice we'll have to make at a certain point or a certain, we have to draw the line somewhere in one way. But I think it's important that we as stakeholders cannot completely ignore that aspect, is what I'm saying. And it's important that sustainability and the future generation and how we mine should be part of this. And that's why NGT and others have played their role. And obviously we are working together with every stakeholder. We're working closely with the Mines Ministry, with the Coal Ministry, to ensure that that balance is maintained. And I think the most critical word today, which I would like to leave all of you with, is the word balance.
Kajing bampoi testa kinong tray ha block development office karambarai CNRD block bar kajing bamdon ru u BDO bapura mentala lais nem tam kalawan ra jing ikipat ba nong song snong kate kathan. Kumta halor kite kijing bakipat ba kathan rambarai kia kendu kinong elam kaseng Neutra Youth Council HYC rambarai circle bat u president ke HYC na West Khasi Hills district hak arpusan tarik Nailur kilalit ya kendu yau ADC ba HK Thaba banyak kran halor kite kijing jong kipat ba. Hak jing kran bat uba HK Thaba layo jing tip ba shen kan sadon ka jing khot interview ban pendap ekipos has CNRD block rambarai bat ri muliang block. Hadian kata kini ki blok kin satre kampura bat laong ru baladap thong ru ya u BDO bapura harambarai blok uban sapej ru shipor ya ka ri muliang blok.
Te den banyaliyok ban kendu yang si ting so ba ai khublai ni ko ai sar chungi bi si ba ila ular khon chungi ba hadin ba ila deban konterview bat dal dep konterview unsa pha no e kinong tre po blok chungi ba kikam bat nagaliang jong i le simkhia ya kana kamba kikam chungi kin khamsuk bat kinlong ki ba ya ba jerte bat ya ki ba jong dong khathai pro awai boleh sebut.
Ka District Legal Services Authority DLSA Riboy District Nongpo haka arpusan tarik Nailur kala penlong ya ka jing hikai bat jing batai patba public campaign halor kapang campaign on opening doors for education to children campaign for school dropouts bat halor ka hockey khna banyo lit school right to free and compulsory education act 2009. Yakane ka program la penlong ha kensir UP school ka bahap ha ka jirang CNRD block Riboy district. Yakane ka program la penlong knang ban pensngo tho yakinong song snong khamtam yaki khna school ki bala pep school shiteng por badru ban pensngo tho shapang ki scheme ki jingera ba pher baki khna school bad ki samla puli ki la ban yo. Labatai pensyairu halor ki an ki bakhang persya ban pentrei bela yaki kena rit Child Labour Prohibition Act POXO Act bat kiwe. Hakani kasngi lawan ban ai jing pensyai bat sakhilang daka kong ai lengkoi Secretary District Legal Services Authority Riboy District Nongpo uba bi lengdo ba mi khmat na pathar khma police station ba pi hajong BDO jirang CNRD block ka kong deity corridor lengba ba mi khmat yaka District Child Protection Unit kong Q Mau Pnyang Assistant Legal Aid Defense Council Riboy District ba Donald Umlong na Labor Department ba S Lamare Principal Kinsir UP School uba Isman Lingdo rang ba Shnong Kinsir ki kemi ki kpa ki khna school lambar ki samla na kani kathan.
Very much knowing the topic of the Right to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Kini ketika I bagi kuat RTE Act. La ini ketika I berhenti kenapa kita red kinyo ketika puli bagi dan kampasio hadu bagi benda ketika elementary education kemudian class 1 hadu class 8. Jadi kena kita sistem hadu kat sosial kinyo lakukan puli dan kampasio kemudian ada keadaan RTE. Di keadaan RTE pan ketika bagi kena ada puli sekolah sorga kinyo apa yang dijenjara kita yo mungkin school uniform kita di pulau bagi jenjara kamjoki kena kemudian keadaan kamsel kalau bagi kena kita di school bagi mon di keadaan jenjara bagi kena kita apa school shifting por mau kita special classes di kelas kita kamu kerja syukur ada ukena ulat school dan Jerusalem syukur ada ushong class 2 di ukapno hadir ketukan Islam kan ulat kawan di school dia kum kita kenakan kin ai kita special class makam kerja kin ai jengi kita kenapa itu dikenal dari kawan di school dia kin ai jengi kita shua dan tentu kin pensyong lagi ada kelas pada hak kata bagi syukur hadir asal keadaan kelas dan dikenal dengan pensyong syukur kelas 2 kin pensyong lagi ada kelas 6 dan kelas 7 banyak hak kata bagi beri kita perlu ini special class kenapa bagi kenal dengan dalam simple Slow around at the shopper and keep on a bull city canal and school no, keep make sure they slow around you keep on talking mungkin kerja kita beniki. Dinamika kita perlu kita jikir kiri jauh suara bagi kita kemudian awal ini berkenaan IT.
Kakenhon juga Seng Khasi Students Union KSU haka jingalam Samla Donald Thaba General Secretary kalaya kendo ya ulat KHUBOR CH Vijay Shankar banyak keran halor kajing pentrekam ya kimat bagi KSU kala dawa nadu kisnam khat khandai spak praposan. Usamla Donald Thaba ulaya thu hakinong thok khubor hadien kajing ya keran bat ulat baka seng kala kerpat bat kentu ya ulat ban pentrekam no ya ka inner line permit kajing kata ka Citizenship Amendment Act CAA arhajar khat khandai ka Indo-Nepal Friendship Treaty khat khandai spak sanpo ka kendrum kendram put hapadeng ka Meghalaya Assam border disputes pat kajing pendrung ya ka ketien khasi ha ka kernit bapra jo ka riti sensyar kari India. Kini kimat kide ki badang sateng ya kiba ka sorkar Meghalaya bat sorkar India kimpat pentrekam hadu menta laong ke khubor na kinongelam ka KSU.
Kala jepun snow mendai tang ya ka state government mendai wat ya ka central government ru. Tiga jungwan ke jungi ko pelongi banwan kalong ba hadien ba ngi ba kendon kanu ka jempun sai na kaliang ka sorkar jalan ka sorkar padeng ka pelong ngi haban wani bisa lat Shillong ya kini dimat tiba ke isu kalabu Ahmad. Kita isu kalai keren ya kebenkong du kamat kebolong kaba di pajba jong keberi nyudrat la keren la kapor ya yang nut la kapor berkata ka de ka inalain permit nilai keren nilai tersani bahaya ka inalain permit nilai persnguru ba dang hau arajat khandai ka sorkar ka assembly yang jela kala sim begini ke resolution ba di pentrekam ni ka LP po jela matum juru ba ngelapas ngau ba haba ya ka Manipur ke sorkar India kala apat ai ya ka inalain permit au arhaja ka tandai balai ka ini haba ka jingi ki ka jingi ka ladai na du sedang ka tandai spak kapusan tanpa haba Manipur ka jingi ki kadang sedang arhaja ka lai dinalor ka inalain permit nilai keren ru ya ka jingta jong ka Citizenship Amendment Act ya ka jela ka jungi ka than berapa wei amar kembang UI ba ka jela ka jungi beri nyu terap labun sang ini di KOI labun sang ini di beri di buan Bangladesh di sistem ka tandai spak nyu koi pinta ter di buan negeri di beper di buan banbuai senong ang ni po beri nyu terap ha bang lai babun di caka di bagi trai muluk la kelarit pat kala ki jong ki sang di ha mo nila masaki wat ang ni apo sor Shillong tinggal pas ngau ba ya kasi hi ondai ban pentrikam ngini kithan ki jungi niong ba wala ka sorkar kalau ong ba ya bagan exam ya ba sorkar perengkan exam ni kini di schedule areas ka Meghalaya ndre ha bani ipak ba kini ki non schedule areas su hi ha ba ki non schedule ki bun ha ki nongwei no ar ba ini ba ki trai muluk ki duna ba kini ki non schedule area buat lagi schedule areas su i ki bun ba kini ki beriu ki banabar ini yang baik pada di ba high exemption di banabi full exemption ya ke Meghalaya pada long ru borok kawai ke north east ndri ka jingkwa ai kalong ba ide ban weng no ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act ini nomor ni ba ke jingon bukai Shillong di beriu na Nepal nang ba ka ni ka an kepala ni ke treaty ke jinge soi kepala soi ho sem ka tandai spak santhau ka pelong ye ki karne peli bikin wan bukai Shillong apo ka ni ka jela ka jungi ni dawa ba ya kami Meghalaya de benweng no nak ni ka review jong ka Indo Friendship Nepal Treaty aman pendu ya ka andre ban polak no ka Meghalaya nang ba kinomla diberi buan Nepal buan Bosco ni apo ka jela ka jungi kikoi kamat ka ba ni la ya keren ka dei ka jinya ka jak kaput na kapur padeng ka Assam ka Meghalaya ka ba ni kentu yulat baude ban tuklar lem ban betelenti lam ni ki artli ki sorkar jela wala kiladon padeng jinya keren namar bangi ba hakini gi kengga sniru wala kapag jinga keren gadon jinga kan at kimi ka kapor kemangi apa west khasinews su gadon gejing temu yang ka Assam masna surok ha dithan yang dia po west khasinews di nakaling kaseng persajur ya kata ban gitu snoru yu namar ba kata gejing temu hi ban sna ya kata ka berpeni ya kata ka tribal state house dam 1972 kalong ban ailat ya ki trai muluk bakin sensyar hi daladi bertum juru bagi jaka jungki bahap apa ki hima ki beper kin hap be pengejalan Meghalaya ini Bosco bagi Shillong khasi hi di badang dan pada ngejingkan at bat ka Assam di ban nyakran ka Fistu kidai ban hap apo ka Jylla Meghalaya sakoi kamat kadai ka Central Agricultural University ka ba ngilaya keren na kapor sa kapor bat ngila Bosco yu ba hau arja sikau ka sorkar pedeng kalapan benar ba senano ya kata Central Agricultural University apo Meghalaya bat ila shimru ka jaka kamba arspa ekor po kerdem kulai
Pada itu ki khubor ngla poi shika bakut tat hadu benginde syambiang khublai shibun.